is amazing! I love it! It's a nice day in spring, and I have some new bubbles. These bubbles are special because they're from ArtCreativity. I took a peek and it was so colorful. Here's the bubbles. Put that to the side. Let's open it. So I have 4 of them. I have purple, I have some pink, I have some blue, and also I have some orange. I should open up the pink first. I love the color. This is a pink one. Let's open up the pink one first. I love it. My favorite color is pink. The instructions say open. Alright. And then we have the bubble solution. So we have to open the top. If you look close to the top, they're like a little rainbow. It says put the cap back on. They look so fun. Let's open this one next. Wow, that's amazing. There. I'm going to open up the blue next. A rainbow again. I guess all of them have rainbows on top of them. There's like, if you look close, there's some rainbow pictures. So cute. The last one to open is purple. Let's open it. Okay, so now let's open up this one. Let's try the red one first. Just a little. Okay, like that. Make sure all the holes are covered so it can blow lots of bubbles. Cover your bubble solution too. I like that the bubble solution comes with it. Okay, now. Amazing! That was a lot of bubbles for a little bubble solution. Let's open up the next one. It doesn't spill it so fast. Look. Don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. Wow, that one got a lot. This is amazing. I love it. Liam, come on. Even my brother wants to come. Let's go up to the treehouse and do it, Liam. Come on. Okay. You can even blow bubbles while I'm swimming. Let me show you. Well, I hope you enjoyed the review of the Bubble Blizzard Blasters. Blasters! I hope you enjoyed this. Bye. Bubble, thank you.